Creating an e-commerce website involves several steps to build a platform for selling products or services online. Here's a concise guide. Planning. Define your niche, target audience, and business model. Research competitors and plan your website structure. Domain and hosting. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand and purchase hosting from a reliable provider. Content management system. Select an e-commerce friendly CMS like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, or BigCommerce. Website design. Pick a responsive theme or hire a web designer to create a visually appealing and user-friendly website. Ensure it's mobile-friendly. Product listings. Add product pages with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, prices, and stock information. Organize products into categories for easy navigation. Shopping cart and checkout. Set up a shopping cart, payment gateways, and a secure checkout process. Website security. Implement SSL certificates, firewalls, and security plugins to protect customer data. SEO optimization. Optimize your website for search engines by using relevant keywords, meta tags, and optimizing product images. Content creation. Create valuable content such as blog posts, guides, and videos to attract and engage customers. Testing. Thoroughly test your website for functionality, speed, and compatibility with various browsers and devices. Launch. Once you're satisfied with your website, launch it to the public. Promote it through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Analytics and optimization. Use analytics tools to track visitor behavior and sales. Continuously optimize your site based on data. Customer support. Provide excellent customer support and easy contact options for inquiries and assistance.